Unbox with me, Hollie by Jon Renau. I've been waiting for this forever. It was on back order, so you see it for the first time with me. I haven't even sneaked a peek. So this is in shade Mocha. Love this color. It's like a warm blonde. Let's take that off and take that out. Really light. It's the first thing I notice is really light. Cap construction. Full mono top, extended lace front, fully hand-tight cap. So I think this will be really comfortable to wear. And then let's look at this color. I love shaded Mocha. It's an underrated color, I think. And then you have those bangs. Right, let me shake it first a little bit. So I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. And then I might have to do some changes. These fibers feel amazing. They are really soft. Wow, they are very soft. This is, oh wow, this is beautiful. Right, don't let me play with it too much. So this is it straight out of the box, as you have seen. So I haven't done anything to it. I love these barely there waves. Such a natural look, and as I said, it feels so light. And the cap is so comfortable. Let me show you the lace front as well. So as you've seen, it's an extended lace front. Lighter pieces to the front. So you can't really see any knots. It's gorgeous. So let's look at this fringe. So you have that fringe, and then it's almost like a curtain bang, slightly longer here on the side. So you can wear it across like this, or you can basically do what you like with it. So I probably just wear it to the side like that. Right, let me comb it through as well. And then I will take out the zigzag parting, which I probably might need some water for. I might leave it in the middle actually. Let's have a look at it. So that looks good. I don't think I need to do anything. I know other people have done other bits with it, but I really like it as it is. Oh, this is such a pretty style. And gosh, it's comfortable. It lies really flat to my head. No permatease. And if you're looking for a sister style to this one, you could always go with Hollie by Jon Renau. It's just similar length but straight and without a bang. So that might be a good idea too, to have those two in rotation. It's perfection. There's nothing more I can say to this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I can see why it was on back order. It's beautiful. So tell me what you think about Hollie, and maybe you have her yourself. Tell me your experience with her, any suggestions, etc. that you might have. And yeah, I see you very soon for my proper wig review. Bye!